Let's go ahead and introduce the program. So in this training program, you will learn how NetSuite derives, calculates, and consolidates its financial data to ensure that you are equipped to speak to NetSuite data and the related reporting with confidence. Now, in this training program, we have a number of key learning objectives. The first objective is to understand how NetSuite generates financial reporting from its underlying data. The next objective is to understand how the NetSuite period close process works and to deeply understand each step in that process and how it can impact the financial reporting. The next step is to be able to speak to the underlying calculations that drive NetSuite financial data. You're going to see as we move through the training program, there are some very complex calculations behind some of the financial reports. The next objective is to learn how to build and customize NetSuite financial reports. Later on in the course, you're going to see there are endless customization options for you to build out your financial reports to meet your business needs. The final learning objective is to really understand best practices when it comes to maintaining accurate data within NetSuite. Let's move on to some of the program prerequisites. And these are fairly light, but nonetheless, these are prerequisites that will set you up for success before jumping into this training program. The first prerequisite is to have a moderate understanding of accounting concepts and some terminology. You will see as we move through the training program, we do refer to some accounting terminology, and having a basic understanding of that will set you up for success. The next prerequisite is to have some familiarity with the NetSuite out-of-the-box financial reporting module. You don't need to be an expert by any means. Perhaps by the end of the course you will be. Nonetheless, just having some familiarity with that functionality will help. And then the final prerequisite, I would say, is just to have a high-level understanding of the NetSuite period close checklist. That's not to necessarily understand how each step works in detail. Again, that's going to be covered in this course. But having a basic awareness of what the checklist is and what it does will set you up for success.